Good morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, scholars, students, learners, listeners, speakers, scholars, professionals and professors, officials and professionals, those who are watching from the world of science, religion, spirituality, arts, commerce and engineering. The most respectable, honorable, present Prime Minister, Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji, presence of ministers and doctors, advertisers and advocates, administrators. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily, cordially welcome your presence, praiseworthy, admirable, appreciable, 100% presence of your mind. Express that you are the true listener of the truth through science and spirituality. All the initiators, beginners, starters of the cultures, customs, religion, languages, varieties, diversities, were created by Indian land, our motherland, which is the most respectable, reverent and honorable for every heart of India. This Indian heart, this Indian mind, Indian breath, Indian lungs and Indian internal organs express that our culture, message, oneness, unity in diversity. There is unity in diversity in every aspect of life. We have the presence of God in the form of omnipresent. He who is omnipresent, omniscient, almighty, who is always with us. He is still exists in the place where there is no sound and light. As per the beginner of the religion, Swami Vivekananda expresses that with his natural words, with his natural common philosophy of his experiences and experiments, says that unheard is sweeter than heard, unspoken, unread, unlistened, unseen are more gracious, splendor, beautiful, powerful than seen, read, written, spoken. Whatsoever we do, that is the result of our forefathers, forecasters, foretellers, those who came first, those who have started newnesses. They were the true inventors, innovators, researchers, scientists, doctors. They were not less than the modern personalities. They were the true personalities with having command, order of the celestial light, spiritual light, which is provided by the nature. This is nature that gives us friendliness, familiar environment. Around us we have, we feel, we think, we consider. Everywhere, anytime,